Other ingredients such as semolina or durum wheat are used. The dough is then rolled out and cut into various shapes, which are then boiled in salted water until al dente, which means firm to the bite. One of the most famous types of pasta is spaghetti, which is a long, thin noodle that is often served with tomato sauce, meatballs, or seafood. Another popular type of pasta is penne, which is a short, tube-shaped pasta that is often served with a creamy sauce or a tomato-based sauce. Lasagna is another famous pasta dish, which is made by layering wide, flat noodles with a meat or vegetable filling and a creamy white sauce. The layers are then topped with grated cheese and baked until golden and crispy. Ravioli and tortellini are types of stuffed pasta, which are filled with cheese, meat, or vegetables. Ravioli is a square-shaped pasta that is filled with a mixture of cheese, meat, or vegetables, and then boiled and served with a sauce. Tortellini is a ring-shaped pasta that is filled with a mixture of cheese, meat, or vegetables, and is often served in a broth or with a creamy sauce. Pasta is often served with a variety of sauces, which can be tomato-based, cream-based, or pesto-based. Tomato-based sauces are often made with fresh tomatoes, garlic, onions, and herbs, and are usually simmered for several hours to develop a rich flavor. Cream-based sauces are often made with heavy cream, butter, and cheese, and are typically served with shorter pasta shapes. Pesto sauce is a combination of fresh basil leaves, pine nuts, garlic, Parmesan cheese, and olive oil, which is blended together to create a bright green sauce that is usually served with spaghetti or linguine. In conclusion, pasta is an essential part of Italian cuisine and is enjoyed around the world. With hundreds of different shapes and flavors, there is a type of pasta for everyone. Whether it's spaghetti and meatballs, lasagna, or a simple bowl of penne with tomato sauce, pasta is a versatile and delicious food that is loved by people of all ages. Pizza is a dish that originated in Naples, Italy, in the late 18th century and has since become a staple of Italian cuisine. It is a flatbread that is topped with tomato sauce, cheese, and a variety of other ingredients, such as meat, vegetables, and herbs. Pizza has become one of the most popular foods in the world, with many different variations and styles. The traditional Neapolitan pizza is made with a thin, crispy crust, San Marzano tomatoes, mozzarella cheese, and fresh basil. The pizza is cooked in a wood-fired oven at a high temperature, which gives it a crispy crust and bubbly cheese. The tomato sauce is usually made with San Marzano tomatoes, which are grown in the volcanic soil around Mount Vesuvius, and are known for their sweet and tangy flavor. In addition to the classic margherita pizza, which is topped with tomato sauce, mozzarella cheese, and fresh basil, there are many other types of pizza, each with their own unique toppings and flavors. Some popular toppings include pepperoni, mushrooms, onions, olives, peppers, and sausage. Pizza can also be made with a variety of different crusts, such as thin crust, thick crust, and stuffed crust. Some pizzerias also offer gluten-free crusts for those with gluten intolerance. In Italy, pizza is often eaten as a snack or a light meal, but in other parts of the world, it is often served as a main course. Pizza is a popular food for delivery and takeout, as well as for dining in at pizzerias and restaurants. Pizza is not just a food, it is also a cultural icon, representing Italian cuisine and hospitality.